Hello friends, I Pankaj Dumka welcome you all in this lecture in which I will be discussing with you that how to multiply uh, numbers of two digits. Okay, now the method which I will be following in this particular lecture again will be the same, that is Nikhilam. And now at the outset I would like to tell you that in the last lecture what you have uh, read was about single digit, and the content of the topic was very much elementary. So you must be thinking that if at all we have to multiply the right column, then what is the use of this particular method? So to know the power of this particular method, that is this technique, Nikhilam technique, you should dig into 2, 3, 4 digits. Then you will be able to appreciate it. So let me take simple thing. Now in this case, two digit numbers, but they will be lower or lesser than the base. Okay, that means as I'm talking of two digits, so in this case I'll be talking of numbers which are slightly lower than 100. Okay, that is 10 to the power 2. Now let us take two numbers. Let us take 93 and 95. Now in this particular problem I have to multiply these two numbers. So if you look closely, then what is the base? Base is 100. Okay, so how much this number deviate from 100? By 7. So it is minus 7. And 95 is lesser than this number 100 base by 5. Okay, now you multiply these two. Okay, now you multiply these two, so 5 sevens are 35. Okay, now as usual we cross add either this or this. So if you add this 95 minus 7, so this is 5 and then 2 from there, that is 88. Again 93 minus 5 will be 88, so the answer is 8835. Simple, isn't it? So let us take one more problem in this regard. Okay, let us multiply 99 with 97. Now this again is having a base 100, that means closer base is 100. So this is deviating by minus 1 and this is deviating by minus 3. So if you multiply these two, then 3 ones are 3, and if you add these or these, then 99 plus minus 3 will be 96. But the problem is, in the right part the number of digits should be equal to the number of zeros in the base. So as there are two zeros, so there has to be two numbers. So if nothing is coming like, then you should place 0 here. So the answer is 9603. Okay, now let us do some practice. Let us take one number, that is 91, and multiply this by 97. So how much this 97 is deviating? It is deviating by minus 3, and 91 is deviating by minus 1 from the base, which is 100. So you multiply these two, so you will be getting 9 3s are 27, and if you cross add, that is 91 plus minus 3 or 97 plus minus 9, then you will be getting what? 1 and 2, you will be getting 88. So the answer is 8827. Simple, isn't it? So let me take dig into this further. So it is 90, let us say I am multiplying 93 by 90, let us say or let us go somewhat lower, 88. Okay, now then in this case 93 is deviating by 100 by 7, isn't it? And 88 is having a deviation of 12. So if you multiply this, so 12 sevens are 84, and then you cross add, then you will be getting 81. So the answer is 8184. Simple. Okay, so let us take one more example. Let us take 92 and 88. Now 92 is deviating by 8 from base, which is 100, and 88 is deviating by 12. So if you multiply this, 12 8s are 96, and if you cross add any one, then this is 80. So the answer is 8096. Okay, so friends, let me take one more problem. Okay, let us say I have to multiply 99 times 99. So this is deviating by 1, this is again deviating. Basically this is 99 square, isn't it? But we are doing this particular thing not with that particular method which is intended for square. Instead we will be going from this only. So this is 99 1 99 1. So this is 1 times 1 is 1, but you know the 2 units, that means 2 zeros are there, so 2 numbers should be here, so we will be placing 0 here, then cross add. Okay, so if this is 99 minus 1, so this will be 98. Okay, so let me take one more problem where you will be getting 3 digits, that means 100 digit will also come into play on the right side. So let me say that let us say that we have to multiply 88 by 91. So 91 is being deviated by how much? It is deviated by 9. Okay, and 88 is deviated by 12. Okay, from the base, which is 100. Now you multiply these two. So 12 into 9, that is 12 9s are 108. So it is 108, and then if you cross add any one, you will be getting what? 8 and then 179. So this is 79. But on the right hand side you can have only 2 numbers, so you can have up to tens place, so no hundreds. So this will come here, and you have to add it. You have to add this, then the final answer will be so 79 plus 1 is 80, so it is 8008. So friends, in this particular lecture you have learned how to multiply 2-digit numbers using Nichilam techniques. So in the end, remember, all the numbers, they all are very close to the base. Okay, again we will be going for numbers which are very close to the base in the next lecture, but then we will be talking of 3-digit numbers. Okay, so in this lecture, till this point only, thank you very much. If you like my video, then please do like, share and subscribe.